Hello everyone, ISTIYAK this side from excelguruji.in. Today we are going to learn about some text functions, suppose left, mid, right and len. So let's jump into the video. Here I have a specific data set. These are the strings of the text. Let's understand how it is being made. So in this data, first two is main category, suppose men's, western, ethnic, kids kind of. The second two character is brand. The next set of data, three character is a subcategory, suppose top wear, bottom wear kind of. And the last four character is a product, shirt, kurta, bottom wear, ballerinas and kind of. Right. So how we can extract this from the single string that we are going to learn in today's video through the formulas of left, mid and right. So let's jump into the video. Suppose left function, this is the context of the left function text where we want to extract the data from, comma, and number of characters. Suppose we require the main category and that is having only two characters, right? So we will write down 2 and we'll close the formula. So here we get the main category from the string. Let's drag down. So here you can check, first two letter is MN, the first two letter is WW, the first two letter here is WE, the first two letter is KD and the first two letter is NA. In the same way, let's extract the brand name. The context is text, starting number and number of characters. So suppose we want to get the data from this text, comma, starting number, suppose brand is starting from the third character, so we'll write down 3 because first two character is of the main category, so we will write down 3 as an starting number, and we would require two characters because brand is having two characters, right? So we will write down 2 and we'll close the function. So this is how we will get the brand here. In the same way, suppose we required a subcategory, which we again able to get from the mid function because it is middle of the string. So this is the text from which we required the data. Starting number, the starting number of the subcategory is fifth because first two is main category and second two character is brand name. So total four characters are before of this subcategory. So starting number would be 5, comma, and total number of character in the subcategory, here we can see these are the three characters, so we will write down 3 here. Let's extract. So here we have the data topware, because if you see topware here, topware here, topware here, and here also FTW footwear, right? So in the same way we will get the right data as well. Let's write down the function. These are the context of the right function. Text, from this text would require the data and again number of characters. So from right side we required the 4 characters. The product is having the 4 character. Here you can see that SHRT, right? So we'll write down 4 here and we'll close the function. So this is how you can get the right 4 function. So this you can extract the data from the specific character string. Now let's see the another function called len. Len is nothing but basically a length of the particular cell, how many characters are there in that particular cell. So let's see, we are having the 11 characters available in this particular string. So this is also a very interesting function to check the validation of that particular data. Suppose if we are going to check the bank account number, which is having always a specific number of characters, if we enter a wrong bank account number, then this function can help us out whether the total number of characters is there available or not. So I hope you like today's video. If you like it, please press thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and keep sharing with your friends and family. Any comments, please write down in the comment section below. And until the next time, I'm taking your signing off from this video. Thank you and bye bye.